the 3-minute glow-up that actually works. 5 things are making your face look worse than it actually is. Exactly which ones apply to you? If you've ever looked in the mirror and been like, I just don't have the face, this one's for you. So, before jawline, before cheekbone, here's the thing nobody tells you. 90% of I don't have a face card is just water retention. And this is probably you right now. Salt, sugar, dehydration, bad sleep. Your face holds fluid like a sponge, and most people blame their bone structure for what's actually just puddled water. Fix, and it's a simple one. Water, cut the late-night salty snacks, sleep on your back, and a cold spoon or ice roller in the morning. Instant depuff. Which one's actually your habits, or salt, sleep, or dehydration? Drop it in the comments. Because the next thing on this list is free. And it's the one people quit before it actually works. So I used to think mewing was a joke. Then I actually tracked my own jawline for like 90 days, and I was wrong. Mostly. You don't believe I actually do this, I know. I'm not kidding. Posture first, and this one's easy. Chin tucked, shoulders back, spine long. That alone sharpens your jaw, lengthens your neck. Today, on camera, right now. Tongue flat on the roof of your mouth, lips closed, breathe through your nose. This is mewing technique. It's slow. We're talking months, not days. But it's free, and it's working every second you're not talking. I'm not gonna pretend this one's instant. But stick around, because the next fix takes one swipe and works immediately. You don't need 12 steps. You need one non-negotiable. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Every time you felt like your skin looks off, dull, older than it should, the SPF you skipped is probably a bigger factor than any serum you bought to fix it. SPF. Every single day, even indoors, even cloudy. UV is quietly breaking down your collagen right now while you're literally watching this. Cheat code. And this one's easy too. Tinted sunscreen. Protection and a glow filter in one swipe. That's step 1. Step 2's the symmetry thing. Speaking of comments, if this is actually helping, hit like and subscribe if you're new. It genuinely helps this reach more people. Okay, back to it. Quick guess before I show you. What percentage of people have a genuinely symmetrical face? Basically none. Not even celebrities. Nobody. So here's a 60-second fix. Instead of chasing perfect, smile, smile, mouth closed, push the corner of your mouth up with your finger, hold it. That's rep 1 of an 8-move routine. 1 minute a day. Check the mirror in 4 weeks. Your brows are the frame for your whole face. Groomed brows do more than a full face of makeup. I didn't believe that either. Till I tried it myself for 2 weeks. Shape to your face, higher arch if you're round, straighter if your jaw's already sharp. Then one more thing, contrast. Define eyes, brows, lips, not your whole face. That's what reads as glowing on camera. That's it, that's the whole thing. So here's the actual secret nobody tells you. It was never about looking perfect. Perfect is forgettable. Forgettable. Think about the most magnetic person you know in real life. Not a celebrity, someone you actually know. I'd bet they're not symmetrical either. What makes them magnetic is they look like themselves, confidently. That's it. Effort beats good genetics. More often than people want to admit, because effort's the only half you were ever going to control anyway. So, back to the 5 things at the top. Water, posture, SPF, symmetry reps, brows. That's the full list I promised you. Do just the first 3, water, posture, SPF, for 1 week, and you will see it in your own mirror. Before anyone says a word, comment glow if you want the full 8-step symmetry routine as its own video. 2 options here. Try this for 7 days and come back skeptical, or try it and come back to tell me I was right. Either way, I'll see you in the next one. Real talk though, you can do all 5 of these perfectly and still look tired if what's going on inside isn't sorted. Half of that glow isn't dopamine, serotonin, cortisol, the stuff actually running, they show under your skin. So if you want the fix for that, click right on screen. How to hack your happy hormones. And yeah, I'll see you there.